What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I want to thank you guys again for all the supports, all the likes and comments. And we are reaching 1,500 if we get one more subscribers. So if you are new to this channel, we cover a lot of things, we cover a lot of indicators, and we try to look at the market from macro and micro perspective. So please hit the like button right now and let me get 80 likes for this video. All right, so we're gonna cover some technical analysis for this Bitcoin. And in my previous post that I posted on my YouTube, go ahead and check it out. You can comment down below your 5 altcoins that you are buying, or you already have them, or you're watching to buy. Comment down below. I am doing a little bit of voting in here. If I see the most top 5 altcoins being repeated and mentioned in the comment section, I'm gonna start doing technical analysis and price prediction for them. Actually, price prediction is very hard for altcoins especially, but just to be fun, I'll cover that for you guys as well. So okay, we're gonna start with this. As I covered in my previous video, I said that we could see head and shoulder pattern if we break above $43,800-$900. Now you guys see that we have already broken, but it's not that it's just gonna keep going up. We're gonna see more resistance on the way. First, I'm gonna zoom out for weekly chart, and I want you guys to look at this. When it comes to trading, guys, you shouldn't always only lean on these slant charts. Okay, you guys always need to make sure you always go to these resistance lines and also where the price started getting rejected. Okay, so actually you need to consider horizontally as well. So by considering that, you are actually making sure that your resistance lines and support lines are being more accurate. So whenever you guys see that some people just come and just makes like random lines from here and there, do not only rely on those. Okay, this is my big friendly talk with you guys that I'm saying you should not only lean on one indicator or one line for your resistance or support line. Okay, so that's why I have this line. As you guys saw, that we have a lot of touches. Okay, we saw the price perfectly actually hit $49,000 and got rejected. Also, we used to have these resistance lines and resistance levels in here that I've had these two lines for a while. If you have been watching my videos. So I'm gonna go back to daily chart, and if we actually zoom in, we see that this blue line we had many touches from the top as our support. We finally broke below. We had one more touch in here, and this is another touch that we are having, right? So, and if we actually go look at this head and shoulder pattern that we can see in here, is looking like this, right? Actually, this has to go a little bit higher. So I have too many lines. Let me get rid of these first. Okay. I want you guys to clearly see this head and shoulder pattern, but we already broke above. Okay, but for me to completely confirm this, we need to make sure that we have already broken, but we need to stay above and close this daily candle. Okay, 4-hour chart is a good indicator as well, but we are gonna actually close this 4-hour candle at the same time as we start new day, so that does not really matter. Okay, so as long as we are not closing this 4-hour candle or daily candle above this white line that you guys saw, that we had this touch in here, we went lower, we had another, so reverse head and shoulder that is shaping up, we need to make sure that we are closing above. And if we actually close above, as I had mentioned before, I am reminding you guys to subscribe if you haven't already. I am teaching you guys a lot of things in this channel. All right, so if we actually go get the fib that I had before, we went down to here and we just passed 50% Fibonacci, right? we are going to get to 0.620. That is hard to see in here, but the next level to watch will be around almost $45,000, which we will meet this resistant level that we had this double top. I'm gonna zoom in here. You guys can see this double top that we had, and $45,000 will be around the area that we actually had a lot of support, and we had the second top before going back down. So it totally makes sense that we actually go to $45,000 and get rejected. But we could still go a little bit higher to almost $46,000 because the price actually could not support anymore from around here. So that, which would be $46,000. I'm not saying it's gonna happen for sure, but these are the levels to watch. Okay, but as I said, if we actually get rejected, we could actually go lower again. Okay, so this pattern would completely be canceled if we do not stay above this white line. And as you guys see that we are reaching the same level as Bitcoin had a lot of rejections, and we are hitting that a lot of times, and we are getting to the same level again. So as I had this level too, you guys need to make sure you do not only rely on one indicator, one support or resistance line for yourself. So you guys see this, we are having a little bit of a trouble passing this level. So this is a level to watch for now, okay? And as I had mentioned before, we could, as I said, we could still go back down to hit this level of USDT dominance, go lower, and you guys saw that the support level has been broken. So this was the level I was watching. We see that we are going low. The next level to watch would be around here that right now price is meeting. It's hard to show it with one line, so that's why I'm going to just show it as rectangular right here. So this will be the next level to watch, which we have already touched. As you guys saw that we are getting to this resistance. So it perfectly makes sense how this USDT dominance and Bitcoin are working opposite. So anytime USDT goes lower on dominance, Bitcoin gets a pump. All right. So this is another short analysis for you guys. And I told you guys which levels to watch, but in macro perspective, is still this Bitcoin looks bullish right now, but you guys see that we are almost about to cross this blue and orange line. And if we actually, last time we had this cross was in our all-time high. So it does not matter how much higher, and if we go back to 49k 50k to have another touch to that level resistant level, we could still go back down. Okay, so be careful with your buys, and do not FOMO if you just be careful. That's all I'm gonna say. Do not trade based on what I'm saying. This is not a financial advice, but this is a clear. You guys see that it totally makes sense how the price action is doing and how USDT and Bitcoin are correlating oppositely. Okay, so this is another video for you guys. As I said, comment down below your top five altcoins, and I'm gonna cover the highest 5 repeated altcoins in the comment section and the previous post that I had on YouTube. So make sure to like and subscribe as well. Support the channel. Your likes are very helpful for my video to be pushed to other people. So also share the video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.